I say me you letters.
Okay, show me letters. Letters and numbers.
A.
No, that's not an A.
B.
No.
T.
T. Yes, that's a T. Very good.
B.
Is that a B? That's a D.
9.
What's that? What's that?
9.
No, it's not a 7. It's a 7, not a 9. It's a 7.
Ow.
Show me the A. Where's the A?
It's
Where's there an A for Aaron? Do you see an A? You're going to make a giraffe? Oh, you're going to play with your track. Thank goodness Mommy is here to translate for me. No, but you're used to it. There's his track. I mean, if you're not used to him, it's hard to understand him. It's like the other day when I was here and he was talking about shrubbery, and I thought he was saying strawberry.
Yeah.
What are you doing to your track? Oh my goodness, you've destroyed it. Look what you did. Look at oh Jesus. Look at him. Oh, Aaron, why are you doing that? Aaron, why did you destroy the track? He's busy destroying. He refuses to talk. Aaron, can you tell me why you did that? Aaron. Aaron, look at the camera. Aaron.
Oh boy.
Why'd you do that? No. You can't take that apart. No. Aaron, why'd you do that?
A tree. I do. Tree.
Hey,
A tree.
look over this way, buddy. Can you say hi to everybody from the camera?
What's that?
Here, Aaron. Say hi. You lazy. There's Mommy doing her work.
Hello.
There she is. Here.
What?
We'll get Mommy doing her work.
Thank you.
This is something else.